So Jingles has been in the bird room for 5 days now, and he's getting used to all the birds, but he hasn't been out with all the birds. Today's going to be the day where I let him out, and I let most of my birds out, and just to see how it goes. So what I'm going to do is let him out first, and then let out a few birds at a time to see how that goes. So for those of you that are new to my channel, Jingles is my newest cockatiel. He's on the right, and Monty is my cockatiel I've had for a while. He's on the left, and Jingles is just getting used to all my birds. I have a lot of birds, so I don't just, let him out with all my birds flying around. It will be chaos and stressful for him, but he's doing well in my bird room, and today's going to be the day where I let him out, and he can eat my borks, my canaries, and probably my budgies. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so I'm going to let him out of his cage. Jingle. Guess what? Do you want to go meet the rest of the flock out of the cage? Yeah? Alright. Hang on. Alright, Jingles. Just going to put you right here. Okay? I'm going to let out my canaries first because they're the most gentlest, and there's only 2 of them. I'm going to go to... Oh, there he goes. Maybe that's the canary, Jingles. Look at Jingles looking at him. So I'm going to let out a couple of my borks. Look at Snowball. Snowball's looking at Jingles. Oh, there we go. Jingles, that's a bork. Yeah, that's a bork parakeet. Oh, there's the canary. I put some food down there, some fresh food, and a millet. I have 3 more borks to let out. Maybe I'll let them out. I'll let out the borks. The borks are nice birds. What's up, Jingles? Yeah, they're rosy borks, huh? See, he's looking around. See, I didn't want to just put him in the room, all in one day and have all these birds flying around his head. And when I let my other birds out, I took him in the living room just so I could introduce him slowly to my other birds. He's kind of maybe a little bit nervous, but he'll be fine. Look at the bork. The bork was being tough with Jingles. Jingles just staring at them. I think I'm going to put Jingles on top of the cage because he seems like he can't get down from there. And see what happens then. Jingles? Hi. Step up. Here. You want to go walk around? It's okay. You can go eat some food. Alright, so Jingles crawled back up on that perch. He's getting around pretty good. So I'm going to let out the budgies. He's more relaxed right now. So let's see. They're going to be crazy. A few of them anyway. Some of them don't even come out, but... Jack Sparrow, I know he'll come out for sure. Sky will come out. There we go. They probably won't even bother with him anyways. There's Splash, Sky. Jack Sparrow's over there. He's the blue one hanging down. I think they're just excited to be out. I should let my Minnie out screaming. Okay, you want to come? Alright. Yeah, the Minnies are nice too. Come on. There's one of my Linnies there, right in the net there above Jingles. And there's Sky. Sorry, the other Linny's screaming. Nugget's screaming. I can't really let him out. He can't fly and he's kind of blind. If I let him out, he'll go up there, but he'll fall. He'll fall down. Oh, look at Sky. What's he doing? What are you doing, Sky? Oh, look at this. The Linny's right next to Jingles. Look, Jingles. You got a friend? Huh? Who's that, Jingles? Oops. Aw, look at that. Oh, there goes Sky. I think Sky's just realizing, hey, I don't know you. Oh, nobody's bothering Jingles. I think Sky's more interested in that toy and the perch. Jack. Jules is getting braver. He wants to eat some food. Jack is the pesky one. He's the blue budgie. He likes to chase away everybody from food. It's been about an hour and Jingles is fine now. Look at Jingles is preening away. He seems pretty content and he's okay with the birds flying around. And he'll just fit in perfectly with my flock. Now I'm going to let Monty out, my other cockatiel, because I didn't let him out. I just wanted Jingles to meet all my other birds. I'm going to let him out. He'll probably just go right to my lovebird anyway, so it won't matter. Come on, Monty. Now usually Monty will fly around, so they're all going to fly. He usually doesn't fly around the room. There he goes. He's behind me. Where is he? Oh, right to the lovebird. He's not going to bother Jingles. What are you doing, Monty? But he might fly. He might fly around. Alright, now I'm going to let out my lovebird. Come on, baby. There we go. So Monty's going to be following my lovebird around. I don't think my lovebird will have a chance to meet Jingles. Where'd he go? I don't know where he is. So there's my lovebird up there with Monty beside him. He always likes to fight with Sky. See, Monty is protecting my lovebird. He doesn't want any birds to come near him. Isn't that strange? I got another cockatiel, but he doesn't really care. He wants the lovebird. Monty, you're a cockatiel, huh? You're not a lovebird. No, you're not. Look where Jingles is. Hey, Jingles, you got brave. And Jingles went up there all by himself. Alright, so it's been a few hours now, and Jingles seems fine. He's starting to move around more, investigating, he's eating, so he's more comfortable with my flock. And just one of my budgies keeps trying to feed him and, you know, bobbing his head in his face. But Jingles tells him off. He doesn't want to be bothered. Look at him go. He's crawling around, checking out everything. He went to the top and went on all the perches. There we go. All right, so we'll see what happens next. I'm gonna let him out, you know, every day with my flock, especially when I'm in the room, because I don't want to leave him by himself yet. He's not ready for that. So he did okay. I hope you liked the video. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the bell icon, that way you won't miss any of my future videos. Isn't Jingles cute? It's so cute. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.